Welcome back to Quiz Doggie. Can you guess this flowers from their picture? Let's see how many can you get right. Let's go. Before we start, please subscribe to the Quiz Doggie channel for more fun and exciting quizzes. Which flower is the go-to when you mess up on Valentine's Day? A rose, because love needs backup plans. Which flower always keeps its head up, even on bad days? A sunflower, it literally follows the sun. Which flower sounds like it comes in pairs? It's a tulip. Did you get it? Tulips. Which flower makes people say, "Oops, I picked the wrong petal"? A daisy. Loves me not, champion. Can you find the odd one out? You got it. Which flower is both elegant and has a name that sounds like a person? A lily. Very graceful and classic. Which flower is gold but won't make you rich? A marigold. Bright, beautiful, but no jackpot. Which flower smells better than your favorite perfume? Jasmine. Nature's luxury fragrance. Which flower sounds like a tropical vacation? Hibiscus, best served in tea or behind your ear. How about this one? Great job. Which flower is basically the sun's little twin? Daffodil, yellow, bright, and full of energy. Which flower is fancy, rare, and kinda high maintenance? An orchid, beautiful but needs VIP treatment. Which plant smells so relaxing it could put you to sleep? Lavender, the bedtime buddy of the plant world. Which flower has a super long name but is worth the effort? Chrysanthemum, say it 3 times fast. Which flower grows in the mud but stays classy? A lotus, the ultimate glow-up. Which flower is the star of every thank you bouquet? Carnation, because gratitude looks good in pink. Which flower sounds like a cool sci-fi planet? Zinnia, welcome to the floral galaxy. Which flower is small but packs a colorful punch? A pansy, it's tiny but mighty. Which flower looks like nature tried extra hard? A dahlia, floral perfection. Which flower is fluffier than a cloud? A peony, very soft, puffy, and fabulous. Can you find the odd one out? You got it. Great job. Which flower sounds like your great aunt's name? Petunia, old school and stylish. Which tree flower is so beautiful people name songs after it? Magnolia, because sweet magnolia has a nice ring to it. Which flower is a gardener's favorite because it never gives up? Geranium. It just keeps blooming. Which flower has a name that sounds like a warrior? Gladiolus, because flowers can be fierce too. But which flower sounds like something a magician would say? Begonia, poof, and it's beautiful. Which flower smells as fresh as its name? Freesia, because it's a naturally fragrant. Which flower looks like it belongs in a fancy wedding? Calla lily. It's elegant, graceful, and classy. How about this one? You got it. Which flower is as unpredictable as the sea? Anemone, because it's named after one. Which flower rings in spring with its bright blue color? Bluebell, ding ding, nature's little bells. Which flower changes color like a mood ring? Hydrangea, because science makes flowers fun. Which flower is literally named after the stars? Aster, shining bright in the garden. Which flower sounds like it could bite? Snapdragon, chomp chomp, just kidding. Which flower sounds like something you'd call a cute pet? Buttercup, golden and adorable. Which flower is as elegant as a Greek goddess? Iris, named after the goddess of rainbows. Which flower could totally be a fairy's favorite glove? Foxglove, tiny, magical, and a little mysterious. Which flower looks like it belongs in the jungle? Bird of paradise, bright, wild, and exotic. Which flower sounds like a character in a TV drama? Veronica, because even flowers have style. Thanks for playing today. Don't forget to write your score in the comments. See you in the next quiz. Take care.